Here's a way at how I protect my vehicles with from rust. And this is a product, as you can see, it's called PFC, Protection First Class, Ultimate Rust and Corrosion Protection. I think it's made by, over there on the side of the bucket. I bought this in a 5-gallon bucket. Berkebileoil.com. Fluid Film makes a similar product as well. I use that as well. This was a deal from one of my local parts stores. They also have it in a spray can. Hang on a second. Here's the same product in a spray can. Makes it a lot convenient to even you put a straw in the end. And you can spray in those hard to reach areas, but here on my 2010 Colorado you can see the consistency once you get it covered on the frame. I have painted this frame multiple times. 2010 Colorado, and I won't get too close to like brakes and stuff like that, and I'm probably not going to do it perfectly. I used a paintbrush in this case and then used the spray can in others. I'm out of the spray, but as you can see what it looks like somewhat after doing it. But I have not, this is basically I think the first time I've done this, coating this frame like this. I have used other products and it still continued to rust after a while. It just seems like it nothing has worked. I did my 1975 F-150. This stuff is all I used. And for the most part, that truck has not rusted much at all. So if you're in the rust belt or looking for some kind of product to help keep your vehicle from rusting, give that stuff a try. Maybe your local parts store have it, or Berkebileoil.com. Check out their website. I got it at my local parts store. So seems like a pretty good product to me. So thanks for watching. Stay at it. We're in winter time now. It's time for winter maintenance. This is part of my winter maintenance here. I got my snow tires on this thing, and just good routine maintenance. It's a lot cheaper to maintain a vehicle than it is to buy new. So thanks for watching. This is G-Mech. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and remember, keep on wrenching.